Watu wa Laikipia na Kenya mzima, nataka kutoa shukrani zangu kwanza kwa nyinyi mashabiki wangu hapa Nanyuki, Laikipia East yote, Laikipia County na nchi mzima. As you are aware, it was not only a contest for the seat of Laikipia East constituency, it was about flying the flag of TSP across the country. And what I would like to say is that, first of all, I thank my battalion of generals who worked tirelessly, who are resilient, a lot of determination, and they flew the flag. It was not about who is winning. It was about grounding the party, that today we are proud to have a parliamentary party. That when we talk of the history of this country, about how many parties we have in this country, we have stamped our authority. We agree it was a competition. I respect all the party principals, those who were the party leaders from all various parties, from UDA, ODM, ANC, and all other political parties. It was a growing exercise. I would say that in every field, there are losers and winners. But the most important thing is, what have you built out of all this? TSP was built to last, and I can assure you it will last. And that from today henceforth, we have built a strong foundation. It is not on quicksand. And therefore, what we are saying that it's a journey that has started today. And with us stamping our authority, we are already in Parliament, we are in county assemblies, and at the same time, we can say that in all houses that are supposed to be represented, we are there. I've been elected as a member of Parliament. We have a women rep elected somewhere, that is a county seat, and we also have MCAs. So the most important thing for me is that we have been able to ground ourselves, that we have started this long journey. Parties are built, some never last to see another election, but for me I believe that parties are built over time. You cannot build a party in a day, in 5 years. It's a political cycle. And you can only test a party whether it is going to be a lasting party through 3 or 4 election cycles. And therefore, we have been tried, we need to be tested, and for our supporters across the country, I want to assure you, this is a journey that we have started now. Our achievement is for all of us, not only for the people of Laikipia East, but the country at large. I would like to say to those who are foreign on the way, that there is no failure in politics. We have now achieved a great milestone because already Kenyans know that we are allowed. For those of us who feel that might be they are disappointed, there is no disappointment in politics. You wake up, dust yourself off, and move on. Kwa wale tumeshaguliwa para Laikipia County, MCS, wale tumeshaguliwa governor, senator, women rep, we have now to forget our differences. First of all, it was just a competition. And therefore, I urge you, let us build a team, because we have a county that is looking at us. We need to build ourselves as a county so that we can be recognized nationally, and not only nationally, globally, so that people can say something good can come from Laikipia. Kwa hivyo nitafanya kazi na wale wameshaguliwa wote, MCAs wale wameshaguliwa, we are in sister parties, hiyo ni sawasawa, tuendelee na hiyo msimamo, na manake tunashaguliwa ni hao wananchi tulikuwa tunashaguliwa tuwakilishe. Na kwa hivyo tufanye kazi yetu pamoja. I'll be among those who will be calling all of us leaders together so that we can forge forward without division. Because now the past iko nyuma yetu. Kwa hivyo tutafanya kazi na nyinyi, tuendelee pamoja, tusukume gurudumu la maisha. Tungojee sasa uamuzi wa hiyo kitingine huko juu. Whoever wins, we support. As a country, we need peace. That is the most important thing. It is not only who is elected. It's about the people of Kenya. People of Kenya who are suffering today. People of Kenya who are looking at us as their only hope. And therefore, for the generation and other generations to come, for me, I will remain steadfast. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru sana, watu ya Laikipia, hongera sana. Najua ilikuwa ni mkwaruzano, na kawaida mkwaruzano ikiingia